Everyone, it's Miss Parren here. Welcome to lesson 2 of our maths this week. We have been looking at multiplication of our 2s, 5s and 10s, and we're just going to start by recapping those facts. So to start with, we're going to match each calculation to the correct picture. Now I'm sure you already know that this is an image of an array. This is one form of the arrays. The number sentences below match to a picture. Now our task is to find out which one it matches to. So the first thing to do is look at how many groups we've got. So in this number sentence we've got 2 groups. So let's have a look at how many of these pictures have got 2 groups. Well, I have got 2 groups of bears and I've got 2 groups of socks. So let's look at our next number, the multiplier, to find out how many are in each group. This number. Oh, there's 2 in each group. Well, I know it's not the socks because I can see that there's 1, 2, 3 in the socks and 1, 2, 3 in that sock there. So it must be the bears because I've got 2 groups of bears with 1, 2 in each group. 1, 2 in each group. And that should equal 4. The product should be 4. So let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 groups of 2 equals 4. That's correct. So my line would match to this one because that matches. Let's check our second answer. So I'll start by looking at how many groups I've got. I've got 1, 2 groups. That's correct. Let's have a look at how many in each group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3 equals, let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The product should be 6. 2 groups of 3, 1, 2, 3, equals 6. We're going to have a recap of our bar model to show the correct calculation. So as you can see, this is our product. That is our top number. So the product, as we know, is the complete answer, if you like. So the answer is going to be 20. Which 2 numbers do we need to multiply together to make 20? Which 2 numbers are remaining? 5 and 4. Is 5 times 4 20? Let's check on your fingers. 5, 10, 15, 20. Have you got 4 groups? Well done, that is the correct answer. Write down the multiplication that is shown using this array. So you can see how many groups I've got here. I've got 1 group and 2 groups. How many groups? So that is my multiplicand, how many groups I've got. I've got 2 groups and they've each got an equal amount in. Remember when you're doing your groups, it's really important they've got an equal amount in each group. Now let's check the multiplier. How many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 in each group, which is my multiplier. 2 times 7 equals, and now we do it all together to find out what is 2 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We've got 14. To check our answer and make sure we've not miscounted, we can also do 2 times 7 on our fingers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And that should show you that 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, I'd like you to have a go at this one on your own. Firstly, figuring out what is going to be the multiplier. So the first number here, which tells you how many groups you got. What's going to be the multiplicand, how many are in each group. And what is going to be the product, which is the answer. So the first thing you're going to need to do is try and find your multiplier. How many groups have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are very messy groups, sorry. So our first number is 6. And how many are in each group? Then how many altogether? Now we're going to look at multiplication in a number line. So 5 times 2, the example here, means that you do 5 jumps of 2 each time. So can you see 0, 2? That is 1 jump. 2 jumps. 3 jumps. Oops, missed it. 3 jumps. 4 jumps. 5 jumps of 2. Now I've gone in twos. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Can you draw the jumps on the line for the following? 4 times 5. So what's missing here? 5. I'll give you a clue. I'll do one for you. So 0, 5, something, 15, something. Each time you're counting in groups of 5. So 5, add 5 more. Add 5 more equals 15. Add 5 more to get your product. So now let's do it together. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Now our number line has ended, so what is the answer? Right at the bottom, 4 times 5 equals 20. Max scores 2 goals at each match of the season. He plays in 12 matches. How many goals does he score? Now I would like you to have a go at this one in your home learning books. Remember, you're going to be counting in twos 12 times. So counting in twos, 0, 2, 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to let you carry on now. Once you have done that and found the answer, explain step by step in your book how you use the number line to calculate the answer above. So for example, first I started on 0 and counted in groups of 2. My multiplier was 12, so I knew I had to count 12 times. Now we're going to have a quick look at a bar model. Use the bar model below to write down a calculation for the 5 times table. Do this by filling in the blanks. Clue, what is 5 times 5? Now we know in bar models that our product, our biggest number, goes on the top here, and the things that we're multiplying go down here. So we have got 5 groups. Let's check if we got 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we do. And how many need to be in each group? This number here. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. And 5. So now we have got 5 groups of 5. What would the answer to 5 times 5 be? You can add up all of the 5s together if you want to. You can do repeated addition. Or you can use your multiplication knowledge, which would be faster. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We should know the top number in our bar model would be 25. Now the task for you to go away and do is to try and make one of your own bar models for the 2s and the 10s. Remember, when you're making your bar model, you need to know how many groups you've got. So for example, if I wanted to do 2 times 3, how many groups I've got and how many are in each group. So for example, oops, this is a really bad bar model, I'm very sorry. 2 times 3, so I need 2 groups. This needs to be split in equal parts, 2, 1, 2. And how many in each group? 3. What is 2 times 3? 2, 4, 6. Can you have a go at creating your own for another number in the 2 times table and one in the 10s?